Welcome. You are watching the campus news from Holy Cross College Nagercoil. News for the second half of February 2024. The 16th of February 2024. Intercollegiate competitions. In competitions held to mark the 100th birth anniversary of Kalida, our students Miss M.R. Danya of 2nd MSc Mathematics won the first prize in the essay writing competition, and Miss Diabel Ershini of 3rd BSc Physics won the first prize in the elocution competition and received a cash reward of Rs 10,000 each from Mr. Sridhar, the collector of Kanyakumari district. In the senior Kalida Festa intercollegiate cultural competition held at St. Xavier's Catholic College of Engineering, Chungankadai, our students Miss Perlin Princey and Miss Pooja of 2nd MA English Literature SF won the first prize for nail art and received the rolling trophy for the event. Miss Bebisha of 2nd MA English Literature SF won the second prize for photography, and Miss Abhisha of MSc Physics won the second prize in face painting competition. On the same day, the PG and Research Department of Chemistry organized an international conference on innovative trends in functional nanomaterials for sustainable development. Dr. Peter Amaldas, the principal of Malagra Catholic College, Marigiri, Professor Ajay and Vinu of the University of Newcastle, Australia, and Ms. Rani Mathamal, senior grade scientist and engineer of Vikram Sarabhai Space Center, Thiruvananthapuram, were the resource persons. The conference witnessed paper presentations and release of the proceedings. The 17th of February 2024, Parents-Teacher Association meeting. The Parents-Teacher Association meeting for the academic year was held at the Golden Jubilee Hall. In her address, Dr. Sister Sahai Selvi, the principal of the college, briefed the parents about all developmental initiatives taken by the management for the academic growth and holistic well-being of the students. The parents appreciated the efforts of the management and gave their valuable suggestions. Mr. Anto Xavier, a career consultant based on Nagercoil, enlightened the attendees about new vistas of career, giving an overview of competitive examinations and higher educational opportunities available to the students. The 28th of February 2024, fostering student entrepreneurship through digital platforms. The Department of Mathematics SF, in collaboration with IIC, organized a seminar on fostering student entrepreneurship through digital platforms. The resource person, Mr. R. Robert, Assistant Professor of the Department of Electronics and Communication Engineering of Annai Velankani College of Engineering, Kanyakumari, oriented the students towards the need for acquisition of digital skills to cater to the needs of digital savvy entrepreneurs in an evolving business landscape. The 21st of February 2024, Zero Balance Savings Account Camp. The Department of Commerce aided, in collaboration with India Post Payments Bank, Nagercoil, organized a Zero Balance Savings Account Camp at the college premises. Mr. N. Mogan Kumar, the branch manager of India Post Payments Bank, gave a talk on the importance and benefit of zero balance savings account and also explained about various savings schemes provided by the post office. 99 students opened their accounts and more than 200 students and staff participated and benefited from the camp. The 23rd of February 2024, Innovation Contest. The IIC and HCIIC jointly organized an intra-institutional innovation contest. In the contest, students from different departments participated and exhibited their prototype models based on science, technology and environment. Ms. M. Manyadas of 2nd MSc Botany received the first prize and a cash award of Rs 5,000. Ms. Ashika Sri and Ms. Shelji of 2nd BSc Physics won the second prize and a cash award of Rs 3,000, and Ms. Jaya Arya of 2nd MSc Mathematics aided received a cash reward of Rs 2,000 in the intra-departmental innovation contest. The 26th of February 2024, Prize Distribution Day. The prize distribution day of the on-stage and off-stage fine arts events was graced by Mr. Alan Kapai and Mrs. Marion Echinia, the descendants of Mother Claudine Echinia, the foundress of the Sisters of the Cross of Shavnur. Dr. Sister Sahai Selvi, the principal of the college, welcomed and introduced the guests to the students. Dr. Anbu Hana Dora, Associate Professor of French, welcomed the guests in French. The guests released the Yuvadi magazine, an in-house initiative of the Students' Council, and also distributed the prizes of fine arts, off-stage and on-stage events. The curtains of the prize distribution day came to an end with cultural performances by the students. The 26th and 27th of February 2024. Academic Exchange Program. The PG and Research Department of Economics, in collaboration with the Patrician College of Arts and Science, Adayar, Chennai, organized an academic exchange program. 9 students and 2 teaching staff of a college exchanged their entrepreneurial ideas, shared their learning and expertise with the staff and students of Patrician College of Arts and Science. The exchange program is a fruit of an MOU signed between the 2 colleges earlier during the year. The 28th of February 2024, Land to Lab for neighboring school. The Department of Computer Science organized an outreach initiative, Land to Lab for neighboring school. The second and third year undergraduate students of the Department of Computer Science trained 37 students of St. Anthony's Higher Secondary School, Kurusudi, in creating invitations, greeting card, editing images using Word, PowerPoint, and Photoshop. On the same day, the Department of Botany of our college, in collaboration with the Department of Botany of Vivekananda College, Ahasiswaram, Kanyakumari district, organized a hands-on training on herbal formulation. The resource person, Vaidhyar Mrs. Sarita Jodi Varma Asan, based in Kottaram, Kanyakumari district, and Mr. V. Tenkarai Maharapillai of Meleputteri, Nagercoil, gave a live demonstration and hands-on training on producing oil that promotes hair growth, gives stress relief, and relieves joint pain. The participants were also educated on the importance of herbal medicines and were also given tips on essential home remedies for common cold, knee pain, and more. The PG and Research Department of Library and Information Science of Nirmala College for Women, Redfields, Coimbatore, in association with the Department of Library Science of our college, organized a state-level webinar as part of the academic collaborative activity under Xavier Board of Higher Education. The resource person, Reverend Dr. Sister M. Jacqueline Mary, deliberated about e-resources and its role in acquiring learning competency. The 28th and 29th of February 2024, MSU IITM InFact offline classes. Holy Cross College Nagercoil, in collaboration with MS University Tirunelveli, organized offline classes on banking and finance course offered by IIT Madras. Of the 750 applicants, 238 students were selected to attend the courses on the basis of merit. The corporate trainer, Ms. Sujata, who works with InFact Road, Chennai, handled classes for the student participants from MS University affiliated colleges. The 29th of February 2024, National Conference on Innovative Reimagining of Language and Literature for Industry 4.0. The PG and Research Department of English organized a national conference on innovative reimagining of language and literature for Industry 4.0. The resource persons, Reverend Father Dr. Francis M. Peter, Province Advisor and former Professor of XLRI School of Business, Jamshedpur, shared his views on reimagining language and literature to fit Industry 4.0's requirements. Mr. U. Peter Sahairaj, the Managing Director and CEO of Indigenous Fashions, Chennai, spoke on People and Technology in Industry 4.0, and Mr. M. T. Saju, an author and journalist based in Thiruvananthapuram, gave insights into writing for the new media. Campus Recruitment Drive. In a campus recruitment drive organized by the Placement Cell on the 18th and 19th of February 2024, 28 students got placed in the AKT Educational Institutions, Kalakurchi. In a mega job fair organized on the 24th of February 2024 by the Placement Cell of a college, an array of educational institutions participated in which around 20 of our students got placed. Sports achievements. In a state-level marathon competition held at Nagercoil, our athletes Miss Ramya of 2nd MA English Literature stood first and received a cash reward of Rs 20,000. Miss Harishma of 3rd BA English Literature won the 3rd place and a reward of Rs 5,000. And Miss S. Anisha of 1st BA English won the 4th place and received a cash reward of Rs 2,500. In the Commonwealth Chess Championship held at Malaysia from the 19th to the 28th of February 2024, our chess master brain, Miss Rebecca Jesumarian of 1st BSc Zoology, represented the country and won the bronze medal in the Under-20 women's category. These are the latest from the campus. Holy Cross College Nagercoil takes pride in its winning streak that continues into each day and every minute of the year. Stay tuned until we meet in another edition of Campus News. Thank you.